Next trick is Lunar Landing, one of my favorites. Looks like that. It's real simple and straightforward. It's off of Shoot the Moon. Basically just a thumb stall, right? So if you don't already know Shoot the Moon, make sure you learn that really well. And then it's going to land in between your middle finger and your thumb in kind of a trapeze stall, right? Pretty straightforward, right? But it looks like it's harder than it is. All you have to do is make the right shape with your middle finger and thumb, and you'll land it pretty much every time. Because if you think about it, when the yo-yo is coming back, right, there's not a lot of room between your middle finger and your thumb. So there's not a lot of places the yo-yo can go besides right on that string. It really wants to go back on that string in that mount. So as long as you make the right shape, it'll go there. And then to get out of it, just back up off of your thumb over the top and catch it. We tend to think of anything as lunar landing as long as it's in that kind of position. So you can throw a sleeper right into a lunar landing like that, right? You can kind of Eli Hop into a lunar landing like that. These aren't really lunar landings, but you know they still count because they're the same basic mount, and it's a good abbreviation for the mount. You can throw an undermount stall and then pop it up and land it in lunar landing. Boom, like that. You can snap start it right into lunar landing. So even though the original lunar landing is specifically from Shoot the Moon, we tend to just call that mount lunar, and it's a good abbreviation. So yeah, again, work on your Shoot the Moon and just find it coming down, and I think you'll make it pretty easily. Lunar landing.